Hi, welcome to the AllCasesHere. In this video we are going to talk about the top best Samsung Z Flip 4 Spigen lineup you can buy on Amazon. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more videos. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on quality, features and pricing. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. We've now had a week with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Galaxy Z Flip 4. And both of these folding smartphones are fantastic. Even with the price reduction, these are still quite costly phones, thus we've had the pleasure of using Spigen cases, screen protectors, and chargers. Spigen has 3 case options for the Z Flip 4 in our list, as well as a variety of accessories. I have prepared this video guide for the best Samsung Z Flip 4 Spigen cases and accessories, so let's get started. 5. Spigen Tough Armor. The Spigen Tough Armor for Galaxy Z Flip 4 protects not only the front and back panels, but also the hinge, without leaving ugly humps or causing it to wobble on your desk. Purchasing a flip case that covered the hinge when closed last year meant either a stupidly bulky case or a rotating flap that made it impossible to set the open phone flat on a table. Spigen's Tough Armor solves that problem, and it makes for an extremely fantastic case. The multi-layer structure provides strong protection, and raised edges surrounding the inner and outer displays should keep you from destroying that valuable, dangerous folding display. 4. Spigen Glass TR Easy Fit Glass Screen Protector. This next protector comes from a company known for providing high-quality protection. Spigen's cases and screen protectors are built to protect your phone from whatever life has to throw at it, and this tempered glass protector is no exception. It is made of 9H hardness graded tempered glass and comes in a convenient 2-pack with protective hinge film. There's an oleophobic coating to keep fingerprints at bay, and an alignment tray is included for precise installation. This protector is also compatible with all Spigen Galaxy Z Flip 4 cases, however, your mileage may vary with other case brands. 3. Spigen 27 watts Wall Charger. Spigen has long been a top contender in mobile protective products such as cases and screen protectors. Spigen, on the other hand, has been competing with leading companies in the same category since the introduction of GAN and PPS chargers. This rapid PPS charger for Galaxy Z Flip 4 has an ultra-compact design that is nearly half the size of Apple's 20 watts brick. It provides up to 27 watts of maximum power output, ensuring that the Galaxy Z Flip 4 charges fully. You can even use this quick charger to recharge a work iPhone, a Samsung Galaxy tablet, or the Galaxy Z Flip 3 from last year. The power quality technology integrated in this fast charger ensures charging efficiency by minimizing ripple noise when charging. 2. Spigen Thin Fit Ring. If you desire something that will highlight the color of your new clamshell foldable while also offering a fashionable ring to hold your phone in folded form, consider the Spigen Thin Fit Ring. This ultra-slim, lightweight case with a crystal clear design adds no bulk to your new phone. Because it is translucent, it will show off the color of your new phone. This case was designed for a simple existence. Its basic and elegant design keeps your phone free of scratches and as slender as the day you bought it. It completely supports wireless charging and includes perfect cutouts for quick and simple access to all of your phone's capabilities. 1. Spigen Air Skin. Look no farther than the Spigen Air Skin if you want to keep it small. We liked how thin and light this case is, and how little weight or bulk it adds to the phone. It's also quite simple, with 4 color options: cornflower blue, rose purple, glitter, and crystal clear. Those latter 2 are transparent, allowing you to show off your own colors. As always, you're receiving the industry-leading build quality that Spigen is known for. So guys, this was the video about the best Samsung Z Flip 4 Spigen lineup. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.